Hi, everyone. My name is Christina, and today we will continue learning about SQL with Lesson 2, Inserting Data into a Table. Let's start by understanding the basic steps involved in inserting a row into a table. First, you need to choose the table that will receive the new data. Then, identify the specific columns that will be updated with the new data. Finally, gather the data that you want to add. Two key SQL commands are essential for inserting data. Insert into specifies the table where the data will go. Values specifies the data to be inserted into the columns of that table. Let's see an example. Here we have insert into supermarket chains, where supermarket chains is the name of the table, and the column names are company, headquarters, and year founded. If you saw the previous video, you'll notice that date founded was changed to year founded because the year is an integer, unlike the date. So this is more accurate. Now we have the values that we want to insert into the table, and order matters. The company is Whole Foods. The headquarters of Whole Foods is Austin, Texas, and the year that Whole Foods was founded is 1980. Note that we have a semicolon at the end of our statement. The columns are surrounded by parentheses, and the data we want to add is surrounded by parentheses. And whenever we have a string, we use quotes. The integer does not have any quotes. Here's what the resulting table looks like after inserting the row for Whole Foods. As you can see, the new data is added correctly into the specified columns. Here's another example. This time, we're not specifying all of the columns. We're only specifying 2 out of the 3 columns. The columns we're specifying are company and headquarters, and the data we're specifying are Safeway and Pleasanton, California. So what happens to the resulting table? What happens is we get a null value for the year founded column, and the other data is populated in the corresponding columns. The new row contains the company name and the headquarters data, leaving year founded empty or with a default value. And that default value is null. With SQL, it's also possible to insert multiple rows with one SQL statement. And this is how you do it. You specify the columns that you want to add data to, and then you specify the data that should go in each row. Make sure to separate the data for each row by or with commas, and a semicolon should go at the end of your SQL statement. So here is a command that will add data for 3 different rows. And here's what the resulting table will look like. We have 3 new rows for Albertsons, Vons, and Harris Teeter, and data was added to each column of this table. We still have a null value for the Safeway row. That concludes our session on adding rows to a table in SQL. Thanks for your attention, and thank you for watching.